This is Ola from Artica. We are approaching Ramadan in a time that everything became virtual. So I decided to make some videos, and I started with a series for Ramadan decoration as a gift from me to you. Hope you will like it. And today, inshallah, we will start with the first project, Ramadan Lantern. It's very easy, and hope you will like it. It will be like this. So let's start. We will need paper, scissor, and glue stick. We need the paper can be plain, any color like this, or it can be designed, any design you like, any colors. You can mix and match with plain and designed one, and final look will be like this. So let's start and see how we do it. It can be in any size, like here you can see the difference. This is smaller, and it can be smaller or bigger. So I will just show you if I want to make it smaller. This is the paper. It's A4 paper, and we do it like this, and so it's 4, and I cut it until it's like this. Then when we reach to cut it to be like this, we and pencil. I forgot to tell you to have a pencil too. So you will draw your lantern. It can be any design you like. I will just do simple one. So for those who don't know how to draw, I don't want it to be complicated to them. So like this, and then I will cut it. Okay, I will need how many from this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It can be from 4 as this one to 8. The more I do it, the beautiful it will look. So let's see the second step. When I finish this, cut it, I will do it the other side. Now when I have all of them, I will just glue 2 by 2 like this one, and so on. And when I do it, if I found any extra like this, I can cut it, trim it until it's good. Then I will go to I will have the colors is different, and it can be in order until I reach to this point. I want to do put this aside and want to do a big one with you, so I can show you the difference between the sizes and the design too. If you can't draw, you can print from online, Google lantern pattern, and you just can print and put it on your paper. This is a bigger one, can be like this, and then you trace it or just make the borders and cut it. So this is if you don't know how to draw it. Now we will do a big one. I prefer to make a different design, so I will show you how I draw it. It's very simple too, but you always have the choice to print or you draw yourself. Well, I did this. I made it like circle, and then I did this. Then I cut it. It doesn't have to be perfect, and when you glue all of them, you will trim any extra paper like this. So now I will do the next step. I will not trace all of them. I just trace one pattern, and I will do it, put it in maybe like 3, like this. Now all the pieces are ready. We will fold it inside out, all of them. And next step, we will glue them 2 by 2. You always can be creative. It can be plain and you just put some stars or stickers on the top, or you can let your kids draw on the plain paper, so it will be something they did from scratch, design it by themselves. In my design, oops, it's okay. I learned with art, you don't panic. If any mistake happens, you can fix it, don't worry. When you finish it all, you hole punch the top and tie a string through it. You can make as many as you want and hang it up in kids' room or wherever you would like. I hung up mine on our front tree. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and comment. I would like to see the pictures for the projects that your kids did. Um, Stay tuned for more Ramadan crafts. Assalamu alaikum.